Good evening, and welcome to this edition of The Blender on UWW-TV, your source for the latest in national entertainment news. I'm your host, Olivia Story.
And I'm Michaela Fedler.
Tonight, we will be recapping the 63rd Annual Grammy Awards that took place on Sunday, March 14th. There were so many amazing awards given out to so many amazing winners that we just have to talk about. I mean, first of all, Harry Styles winning his first Grammy. I am so beyond happy. He deserves it. I mean, Watermelon Sugar, it is a little bit overplayed in my opinion, being a big fan of his, but it definitely deserved best pop solo performance in my opinion.
I thought he should have gotten nominated for more, but that's just my opinion. But congrats, Harry. Super happy for you. And then let's also talk about Megan Thee Stallion's first win, and not only her first win, she took home 3 titles on Sunday, which is huge considering she is the new artist of the year. It's insane.
I am so happy for her though. I mean, her rise to fame in this past couple of years has just been so amazing to watch, and to see her going from talking about, wanting to just simply perform or be on a song with Beyonce to then being on a song with Beyonce and then winning a Grammy for that song. I mean, it's just an amazing transition to see her go through.
Exactly, I completely agree. And also, moving on, we also have Taylor Swift winning the Albino of the Year award. Incredible win for her. Not only this win being so big for her again, it's also the first album that she's won, owning her own record and all. It's insane.
It was such a good album too. I mean, I think it's one of her top 3 best albums that she's ever put out. I mean, obviously one of her top ones that she has in her own name and has her own masters too, but I thought it was the most beautiful album. All of the tracks just flowed so nicely, so I'm really not surprised that it won.
Yeah. Well, on the subject of Taylor Swift's win, let's go into our next topic, including the epic wins that will go down in music history. Talking about Taylor's first win, it's being the 3rd time she has won Album of the Year. That is absolutely insane. Not only being a female artist to have such a huge accomplishment under her belt now, it's astonishing and really puts a movement towards feminism and the female movement in general.
I completely agree. I mean, I think she definitely is proud of herself, and I also think that she's very much so opening the door for other women to come in and make these kind of historical aspects happen in the Grammys. I mean, for her to be the first person and also first woman to win Album of the Year 3 separate times, that's just fantastic. And going off of that, Beyonce made history by being the first artist ever to win 28 Grammys. I mean, that is just fantastic in itself. I love Beyonce. I don't think I can name a person who doesn't know one of her songs or just absolutely adores her, but it's honestly just so amazing to see her go through all of this and to see her reaction when she found out that she made the record. That was just priceless.
Yeah, and plus, not to mention, I don't even think she was supposed to be at the Grammys in general. People said that she wasn't supposed to be coming, and she made that surprise reveal, hey, I'm here, and she went on to win her 28th Grammy, so big congrats to her on that. And not only to mention, we also have the historical amount of women and people of color nominated this Grammys.
Yeah, I completely agree. It was really nice to see that message from the Grammys, talking about how they're trying to improve their diversity and trying to promote more artists who are diverse. I really enjoyed that performance from the Black Pumas. I thought that was kind of something that the Grammys never really have done before, so I really liked to see that. Well, we've got more coming up on this edition of The Blender, including our favorite performances, so stick around, we'll be right back.
Step into a place that's alive with creativity. At the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater, our students have a passion for art, graphic design, music, dance, and theater. We're here to help you discover your artistic potential. From classic techniques to modern innovations, UW-Whitewater is an outstanding place to learn your craft and prepare for your career. So bring your talents and imagination. Come be part of the Warhawk family.
UWW-TV has been an important part of the campus and community since 1980.
Not only providing on-air learning opportunities for broadcast journalists and electronic media production students,
but educating and entertaining our audiences with award-winning news, live sports coverage, original programming,
as well as dedicating the mission to developing creative collaborations throughout campus.
For more information, visit our website, our 24/7 stream, and like us on Facebook.
Check us out because you gotta see what's on UWW-TV.
The UC can get you connected to all your basic needs. Grab a coffee and a meal. Study by the fireplace. Bowl, play, and relax when you want to break from homework. The UC has much more to offer to Whitewater students. Go to the UC's website to see what's going on this week.
Welcome back to The Blender on UWW-TV, your sources for the latest in national entertainment news. Our next topic we need to discuss is the amazing performances that all of the artists gave us during the Grammys. First up, let's talk about Harry Styles' performance, because that just breathless, breathtaking. It was amazing. His voice, the best way to describe it, it feels like whiskey, like just smooth whiskey, and it's just perfect.
I completely agree. I mean, I've seen him in concert only once before, but I very much prefer his live voice versus his, like Spotify, Apple Music voice when you're listening to his albums. I just think when he's live in concert or in performances, he's just so much more like himself, and you could definitely see his personality shine through in that performance, which I think everyone appreciated, and plus his outfit was just a chef's kiss.
Agreed. And also, not to mention, Billie Eilish was peeking in on the performance backstage, and she did end up performing as well. Her performance, amazing. Her attire for the performance, I just thought the headpiece was super, super adorable. Plus, it also came to reveal that she was wearing a wig at the Grammys, which I just found out today, which is pretty cool.
I know, it's exciting to see that. I mean, I loved her hair as it is, the green with the black, but I think she does look really good blonde, as we saw on her Instagram. And, going off of that, I mean, Dua Lipa's performance following up Billie Eilish's, I mean, just 3 great performances back to back. I mean, Dua Lipa's iconic outfit changes were just stunning. I mean, to go from that huge, beautiful dress to the peacoat into the 2-piece, it was just fantastic. She was one of my favorite performances, I'd have to say.
Yes, and then following her performance was also DaBaby, very entertaining. And then we also got a bigger sneak peek on Megan and Cardi's performance, which really floored me, the fact that they even performed WAP. I was like,
kids-friendly version of WAP.
Yeah, I was like, oh, they did that. Sounds good.
The whole dance routine to that I thought was just phenomenal. When they have the huge glass shoe and they were on the huge bed. I mean, they always blow me away whenever I hear them or see them in music videos, but that was just completely unexpected, and I loved it.
Yeah, and the controversy talking about that too, like, is this meant for kids? Well, when was the Grammy Award nominations even for kids in general,
Exactly. Moving right along, we have to talk about what is probably one of the most anticipated aspects of the Grammys, the outfits. In my opinion, one of the best dressed was Lizzo. I absolutely loved her mint dress that she wore on the red carpet, and I adored that baby pink dress that she wore when she presented the award.
Oh yeah, it was really gorgeous. I mean, it looked like it was scrunched up fabric. I know Versace had made it. It was gorgeous. Absolutely so flattering on her. And then she also posted that picture of her and Harry Styles, which you saw his leather performance outfit that he wore while performing during the Grammys. And then he also had like a purple boa with this sweater vest, which is super cute. But a lot have said it looked like he took it back to 2004. I'm a huge stan. I loved it, so it doesn't matter anyways.
I completely agree. And going off of that, Megan Thee Stallion's red carpet outfit was just beautiful. That orange color on her, I think just suits her so well. I really loved, how it had like the one shoulder and it was sweeping on the floor and she had the huge train. I mean, go big or go home, girl, and I appreciated it.
Yeah, and plus Dua Lipa's dresses as well. Her performance outfit, the pink, was astonishing. And then she had the longer pink dress as well on the red carpet, which had amazing design and bedazzles on that. Absolutely gorgeous.
And going off of that, Taylor Swift's red carpet dress was amazing. And the matching mask was just so cute together. I want to find that mask somewhere because I would wear that everywhere. Those floral patterns, and I like the fact that it was kind of a shorter dress. She didn't need to go fully long with it. I kind of like when celebrities don't feel the need to wear super long dresses, and I think Taylor pulls off a short dress very well.
I agree. And then obviously with the best dress, we do end up having the worst dress. And I think taking the title this Grammys is Noah Cyrus with her huge white dress. It ended up looking like a used tissue, not gonna lie. I had no idea what I was looking at. It either looked like a scrunchie up, like, you know, the fitted bed sheet looked like that bunched in a ball, or a used tissue. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, another big one for me was Doja Cat's red carpet dress. I mean, I would have looked really nice without the lime green feathers. I feel like if she had just done the black and white top, I feel like that would have looked nice. But with the lime feathers coming off of the back, it just did not look that flattering.
Or even just like something else. The cut of the dress as well, with just the deep V line, it did not look good on her. And plus, her hairstyle was not a good option either. The huge fringe bangs were, no, I don't know who thought of that.
At the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater, we're passionate about learning. Our talented faculty members blend teaching with research, creating hands-on learning experiences for students. Warhawk Pride thrives at UW-Whitewater, where student athletes excel on the field and in the classroom, where diversity is celebrated. A tradition of excellence. Find your passion here.
Turn us on. Flip them off. 91.7 WSUW. 91.7 is a student-run radio station serving the Whitewater area with a variety of original programs, live sports broadcasting, community events, and more. So turn us on 91.7 FM or stream us live at 917theedge.com.
At the University Bookstore, we have an excellent selection of competitively priced books and classroom necessities for students. We have Warhawk gear ranging from athletic apparel to comfy sweatshirts the whole family can enjoy. The textbook rental service is also available for students to check out their required readings for class. You can also find and order books, apparel, and gift items from our online catalog, located at uwwhitewaterbookstore.com. The University Bookstore. We provide for your college experiences.
And that will do for this edition of The Blender. We'll be back next week. I'm Michaela Fedler.
And I'm Olivia Story. Good night.